Good morning, students. In last video, we have revised chapter 1. Today, we will revise chapter 2, Indian number system. Already, I have taught you Indian number system from old book in video number 1 and 2. Today, we will revise chapter 2 from new book. Understood? Exercise 2A. Question number 1. Write the number name for each of the following. A. We know that ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. 1000, 10,000 comes under thousands period. Lakh, 10 lakh comes under lakh period. And crore comes under crores period. Understood? 1 crore 21 lakh 43,654. 1 crore 21 lakh 43,654. Now B. 21 crore 9 lakh 54,378. Understood? Similarly, you will do C and D just like A and B. You have to do by yourself. Question number 2. Write the numeral for each of the following in bracket. Either give space or put a comma at the proper place. And we know that in Indian number system, we place comma just after each period. 8 crore, comma, 70 lakh, comma, 50,000, comma, 680. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crore period. B. 4 crore, 4, comma, 9 lakh. At the place of 10 lakh, we will put 0. And at the place of lakh, we will write 9, comma, 24,000, comma, 496. 4 crore, 9 lakh, 24,496. Similarly, C. 10 crore, comma, 12 lakh, comma, 36,000, comma, 225. 225. Understood? Just like A, B, C, you will do D and E. Now, question number 3. Give the expanded form of the following numbers. A. We can see here it comes under ones period, it comes under thousand period, lakhs period and crore period. We can see here 1 is placed at crore place. That's why we will write here 1 crore plus 2 is placed at 10 lakh place. That's why we will write here 20 lakh plus 8 is placed at lakh place. That's why we will write here 8 lakh plus 1 is placed at 10,000 place. We will write here 10,000 plus 4 is at 1,000 place. 1,000 plus 6 is at 100 place. 600 plus at tens place 0 is there. We will write here 0 plus at the unit place 1 is there. We will write here 1. Similarly, B. 1 is at 10 crore place. That's why we will write here 10 crore plus 6 is at crore place. That's why we will write here 6 crore plus 2 is at 10 lakh place. We will write here 20 lakh plus 2 is at lakh place. That's why we will write here 2 lakh plus 8 is at 10,000 place. 80,000 plus 1 is at 1000 place 1000 plus 9 is at 100 place 900 plus 4 is at tens place 40 plus 6 is at ones place plus 6. Similarly, see 20 crore plus 4 crore plus 10 lakh plus 6 lakh plus 50,000 plus 6,000 plus 700 plus 80 plus 2. D and E you will do by yourself. Question number 4. Give the compact form of the following. A. 20 crore plus 6 crore, 26 crore, comma, 80 lakh plus 4 lakh, 84 lakh, comma, 20,000 plus 7,000, 27,000, comma, 356, 356. Similarly, B. 38 crore 46 lakh 42,346. C. 57 crore 56 lakh 83,192. Understood? Now D and E you will do by yourself. Question number 5. Write the period of the digit underlined in each of the following. It means in this question we have to write period of the digit underlined. And we know that ones, tens, 100 comes under ones period. 1000, 10,000 comes under the thousands period. Lakh, 10 lakh comes under lakhs period. In this question, we have to write period of 7. And 7 is under lakhs period. That's why period of this 7 is lakhs. Similarly, B. We have to write period of 8. And we can see 8 is under crore period. That's why the period of 8 is crores. C. We have to write period of 8. We can see here 8 is just under thousands period. That's why period of this 8 is thousands. Now D. In this number we have to write period of 6. And we can see here 6 is placed at crore place. That's why period of this 6 is crores. Question number 6. Write the place value of the underlined digit in each of the following. A. In this number we have to write place value of 8. 8 is placed at lakh place. That's why value of 8 is 8 lakh. B. In this number, we have to write place value of 5. And 5 is placed at 1000 place. That's why the value of 5 is 5,000. Similarly, C. We can see here 9 is placed at 10 crore place. That's why the place value of 9 is 90 crore. D. You will do by yourself. Question number 7. Write the period and place value of the underlined digit in the following. A. Underlined digit is 6. Ones, thousand, lakh and crore. So period of this 6 is crores, and 6 is placed at crore place. That's why the place value of this 6 is 6 into 1 crore is equal to 6 crore. Either you write in this form or directly you can write like this. Understood? B. Ones, thousand, lakh, crore. 6 is placed at 10 crore place and it comes under crores period. That's why period of 6 is crores, and it is placed at 10 crore place. That's why the value of this 6 is 60 crore. Similarly, see, 8 is placed at 1000 place. That's why the period of 8 is thousands and the place value of 8 is 8000. Similarly, D and E you will do by yourself. Question number 8. Find the difference between the place value of A, the two fours in 7 crore 48 lakh 65,421. In this number, 4 is 2 times and we have to find the difference between place value of these two 4. First of all, we will write place value of this 4, and the place value of this 4 is 40 lakh minus, and the place value of this 4 is 400 because it is placed at 100 place. 40 lakh minus 400 is equal to 39 lakh 99,600. Similarly, B, the two 8s in 18 crore 36 lakh 84,792. First of all, we will write highest place value of 8, that is 8 crore minus 80,000 because this 8 is placed at 10,000 place. That's why 8 crore minus 80,000 is equal to 7 crore 99 lakh 20,000. See, the two 5s in 56 crore 25 lakh 70,083. First of all, we will write place value of this 5, that is 50 crore minus place value of this 5, that is 5 lakh. 50 crore minus 5 lakh is equal to 49 crore 95 lakh. Understood? Similarly, you will do D and E by yourself. Question number 9. Arrange the following in ascending and descending order. A. In this question, numbers are given and we have to arrange the given number firstly in ascending order and the same number we have to arrange in descending order. First of all, we will arrange the given number in ascending order. Now, first of all, we will count the number of digits in the given number. We can see here the number of digits in this number is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the number of digits in this number is 8. Number of digits in this number is 8. And the number of digits in this number is 9. And we know that ascending order. In ascending order, we arrange the given number from smallest to highest. According to the number of digits, we will arrange the given number. In ascending order, first of all, we will write number with the smallest number of digits, that is 7. 23,16,348. Then we will write number with number of digits 8. We can see here these two numbers are having same number of digits. In this, we will compare the digit of the given number. We always start from left hand side. We can see at crore place the number of digits is 8, and in this also 8. Both are same. Now we will compare the number of digits at 10 lakh place, that is 6 and 2, and we know that 6 is greater than 2. That's why firstly we will write this number, then this number. Understood? Now this number is having highest number of digits. That's why we will write this number in last. Now we have arranged the given number in ascending order from smallest to greatest. Same number we will arrange in descending order. Descending order means from greatest to smallest. The greatest number is this. Firstly we will write this one. 45 crore 42 lakh 18,089. Then 8 crore 62 lakh 16,438. Then 8 crore 26 lakh 99,678. Then 23 lakh 16,348. Similarly, in B, first of all we will count number of digits. The number of digits in this number is 6. Here 5. In this number of digits 9, and in this 7. First of all we will arrange the given number in ascending order. A.O. Ascending order. For ascending order, firstly we will write smallest number, that is 95,949. Then 3,48,616. Then 88,95,919. And then 24 crore 26 lakh 16,800. Now same number we will arrange in descending order. Descending order means from greatest to lowest. Greatest number is 24 crore 26 lakh 16,800. Then 88 lakh 95,919. Then 3,48,616. And then 95,949. Similarly, we will do C. First of all, we will write smallest number, that is 9,90,909. Then 66,25,576. Then 1 crore 42 lakh 65,814. And then 64 crore 18,926. Now we will arrange same number in descending order. Firstly we will write highest number. 64 crore 18,926. Then 1 crore 42 lakh 65,814, 66 lakh 25,576, and then 9 lakh 90,909. Similarly, you will do D and E by yourself. Question number 10. Write the smallest and the largest number using each digit only once. It means digits are given and we have to write smallest number and the largest number by using given digits. For writing smallest number, we follow ascending order. I repeat, for writing smallest number, we follow ascending order, and for writing the largest number, we follow descending order. Understood? Now, in A, first of all, we will write smallest number. I have told you for smallest number, we will follow ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to greatest. The smallest digit is 1, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, 8 and 9. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 and 9. First comma we will put just after 3 digits and the next comma we will put just after 2 digits. It means 13,45,689 is the smallest number. Now, greatest number, I have told you, we will follow descending order. First of all, we will write the highest digit, that is 9, then 8, then 6, 5, 4, 3, 1. 98,65,431 is the largest number. Understood? Similarly, we will do B. First of all, we will write smallest digit, that is 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we will put comma. 2 crore 34 lakh 56,789 is the smallest number. And the largest number, we will follow descending order. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It means 98 crore 76 lakh 54,321. It is the largest number. Similarly, C. We can see here the smallest digit is 0. If in the given number 0 is also there, then for writing smallest number, first of all we will write the second smallest number, that is 1. The first smallest digit is 0 and the second smallest digit is 1. For writing smallest number, first of all we will write second smallest digit, that is 1. Then we will write 0. Then we will, because we never start any numbers by 0, because 0 has no any value before any numbers. Understood? For writing smallest number, first of all we will write second smallest digit, that is 1. Then we will write 0. Then we will follow the same pattern. 1, 0, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It means 1 crore 2 lakh 34,000 567 is the smallest number. For largest number, we will follow descending order. Firstly, we will write the highest digit, that is 7. Then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 7 crore 65 lakh 43,210. Similarly, you will do D and E by yourself. Question number 11. Which is the largest? A. 5-digit number. I have told you in the number system there are 10 digits from 0 to 9. Out of this digit, 9 is the largest digit. That's why for writing largest number, we will repeat 9 5 times. A. 5-digit number. That's why we will repeat 9 5 times. 99,999. Similarly, B. 6-digit number. We will write 9 6 times. 9,99,999. C. 7-digit number. We will write 9 7 times. 99,99,999. Similarly, you will do D. Understood? Now, question number 12. Which is the smallest? A. 5-digit number. And we know that the smallest digit is 0. And I have told you we never start any number by 0. That's why first of all we will write 1. Then out of 5 digits, how many digits are left? 4. Then we will write 40 to the right side of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 10,000 is the 5-digit smallest number. Understood? Now B. 6-digit is smallest number. First of all, we will write 1. Then we will add 50 to the right side of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 1 lakh is the 6-digit smallest number. Similarly, C. We will write 1 and we will write 60 to the right side of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 lakh is the 7-digit smallest number. Similarly, you will do D, just like A, B and C. For today, only this much. In next video, we will revise exercise 2B. Keep practice at home. Thank you.